Hi, Yusuf Kids. My name is Zara. We're doing a cake competition. So I want my pattern to be on the cake. Me as a princess, and I'm riding my pet unicorn.
Hi Yusuf Kids fans, I'm Mariam Yusuf, the third child of the family, and I'll be making a cake as well for my baby sister because it's going to be her birthday soon. So what I've done is I've put 4 ounces of butter and 4 ounces of sugar, and I will mix it for 10 minutes. Let's start. Hi guys, welcome back. I've just mixed it, and I've put 2 eggs in, then mixed it, and then I've put some flour, and now I'm going to be mixing it all. Welcome back everyone, and I've put it into the mold, and I'm going to put it into the oven now for 25 minutes, and then it will be ready, and the real competition will be started, where we will see whose toppings will be best after we put them on. Hi Yusuf Kids fans, today I am making a cake because we're having a competition on whoever makes the best cake will win. I am making a penguin cake, but we're not decorating it right now. Right now, we're making the mixture with 4 ounces of butter, 4 ounces of sugar, and then we're going to whisk it. For 10 minutes. We've already put in the sugar and the butter, and I've already got the electric whisk. So, shall we start? Hi, hello again. So now we've finished the cake mixing. We've mixed the thingy-mabob. Yeah, and now we're going to pop it in the preheated oven for 25 minutes. Just about.
Okay, now I'm going to start to make my cake. So first we're going to put the butter and the sugar in. And then first we're going to mix it with a spoon to make sure it doesn't go everywhere. And now we're going to mix it with this thing. Okay, so now we mixed it for the 4 ounces of sugar and the 4 ounces of butter for 10 minutes. And this is the colour it should be. And next we're going to add our eggs one by one. And after each egg we're going to put a pinch of flour and we're going to mix it a little bit. You don't want to mix it too much. And then we're going to add our next egg. And we're going to repeat the sequence. Now we're going to add the flour in little by little, and we're going to sift it first. Okay, now we're going to put the last one in, and then we're going to mix it with the mixer this time. So we're going to fold it and then we're going to mix it. Okay, so we've put the batter in the cake tin and the oven's been preheated, and now we're going to put it in the mix.
Holy cook. It doesn't matter if you whip. I have no bubble.
It's okay, Zara. Here, it's okay. Yeah, put it on this side. Yeah? And you need eyelashes on this side, yeah? No, Dishan? It will get this.
I'll put them at the end.
Mariam, I love you. Of course not. Marshmallow game.
Hello everyone, we're done and I'm going to be blowing out my candles first.
So what?
Made one with some llamas and flowers and cactuses and a blue icing and all of these sprinkles.
Zishan.
Let me just try and set this one out. And
That's all. My turn now.
Okay, your turn.
A chicken.